Professional tile cleaning in Kingston upon Thames. Restore your floors today. Tired of scrubbing your floors only for them to still look dirty? Noticed your once beautiful tiles looking dull, stained, or worn? No matter how much you clean, the grime just won't go away. At Fabritec, we specialise in professional stone and tile cleaning across Kingston upon Thames, from our base in New Malden. When your marble loses its luxurious, polished finish, it can leave your floors looking dull and lifeless. Stubborn stains and trapped dirt in your travertine can make cleaning feel impossible. Over time, limestone can become dull and overly absorbent, making spills a constant headache. Cracks and wear in your terrazzo can strip away its original elegance and charm. An uneven, worn slate surface can make maintenance frustrating and difficult. Layers of grime on Victorian tiles can mask their intricate beauty and historic appeal. Dirt absorbed into quarry or terracotta tiles can leave them looking permanently stained. Discolored porcelain tiles and grout can make an entire room feel tired and unkempt. We bring tile floors back to life with expert deep cleaning and restoration. Using our professional scrubbing equipment, we remove deep-set grime, stains, and years of wear without damaging your tiles. Our secret weapon? A powerful hot water pressure rinse and extraction system that lifts out deep soils traditional scrubbing can't reach, instantly vacuuming them away for a deeper clean and faster drying time. We then apply high-quality sealers to protect your tiles and grout, making future cleaning easier and extending their lifespan. Don't replace your floors, we can restore them. Call us today on 0137 266 4337 or visit tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk to book your free consultation.